Good morning everyone, this is Anand from the LGX series. Today I am back with one more technical video. In this video I would like to show you how we can transform data in Excel into a pictorial chart for better presentation. And the target audience is students and software employees and also one who has knowledge on MS Excel. I have taken team outing as a use case. So, suppose in an organization, a manager asked his subordinate to create a list, whoever going for the team outing. So, in a team, there are 10 people and they have to contribute certain amount based on the designation. So, that subordinate of the manager, one who assigned this task, he has to list down the employees and also the amount they are going to contribute. So if I give a plain data, it doesn't look nice. Of course, it serves the purpose, but when we present it in a pictorial graph, it looks something better. Okay, so that presentation is always needed. So let's get into the Excel. So here I have created a small Excel. So this is a team outing and these are all the employees and these are all the amounts they are contributed and these are the employee ID. So as per my use case, if I share this information to my manager, that is enough. My job is done. But that's not the case. So we have to present it better. So how we can present it better? By using two options here. One is by using graphs or charts. This is not graphs, these are called charts. Okay, this is the chart section. Using chart section and also using themes, we can present it better. Okay, so let's see how I can present. First select the employee name and also the amount, means the data of the two columns, and then click on one of the column and then one of the chart. I selected 2D column chart. So when I click here, see Anand, Krishna, Hemant, Ram, Ajay, Sweta, Anu. So all these are all employees and all these are all, the left hand side or the y-axis is about amount. So when I give this pictorial representation to a employee, to my manager, he feels very happy instead of giving this plain text. Okay, so it conveys more. And if I want to change the colors or if I want to represent in a different way, then what I do, I will go to the page layout and then here there are themes are there. So if you select the themes, okay, and based upon the themes, then the colors of the graph will be change, okay, or will be varied. Okay, so here I have selected the aspect theme. So based on aspect theme, the column bar, so if you see the column bar is representing in yellow color. So that's all friends, this is about transforming your data into a pictorial representation or into a graph or into a chart representation. And also using these themes, we can apply multiple colors to your graph. So that's all for this video, and I hope you like it, and just subscribe my channel for more videos in Excel. And in the coming days I will give you a tour in Excel and I will cover all the options present in the ribbon. Okay, thank you so much, thanks for watching the video.